Now is available at McCarthy Cars, Audi A6 S-Line, metallic black, 63 plate 2013. Car has front daylight, it's got front parking sensors, car has front headlight washer, got 20-inch S-Line alloy wheels. Car has privacy rear glass, rear parking sensors, TDI, diesel car. Has split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior, it's got sides and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX, child seat preparation. For electric windows, electric mirrors, front auto headlights, satellite navigation. Audi multimedia, 2-slot memory card, auto start stop function, heated seats. Automatic transmission, has push button to start, 2 central cup holders, multifunction steering wheel. Thank you for watching.